When I was only 10, I was told by a man. He smiled as he said, girl, you need to understand. Unless you grow thinner, no man would ever want you. And what a grown-up said, I believe this children do. She wasn't made for your pleasure. Don't you blame it on human nature. She wasn't made for your pleasure. Oh, who will love her? Daisy, go dress yourself in a red disguise. To look like a rose, you must pay a heavy price. Try to be beautiful and pleasing to the eye. Run after your youth till the day that you die. She wasn't made for your pleasure. Don't you blame it on human nature. She wasn't made for your pleasure. No, no. She wasn't made for your pleasure. Don't you blame it on human nature. She wasn't made for your pleasure. Oh, who will love
Creepers left and right, buzz like crazy. Everybody's trying to steal my lady. Spiders in the mirror and things can't be right. Back to the scene of a Friday night, to a blessed collision still frozen tight. Spill drink as Cupid and the sound of her first chime. And why did you argue? Dreaming of those eyes, the best part of my life. And when we make love, babe, I wouldn't make a sound. The clock won't turn around. Ooh, you turn around, you thousand little fires. And ooh, your circle is spreading around for miles. Keep your belly up with your pace, slowing things down when I wanted to race, catching up again when you try to chase. Feels like we're playing space. You always find a way to make up, right? Even when we're such a fly, even when things just run high. You gotta soften up your sleeves, girl. You're never enough, babe. We're dreaming of those eyes, best part of my life. 'Cause when we make love, babe, the world don't make a sound. The clock won't turn around. Ooh, you turn around, Chasm worries, careless words, trying to drive a wedge between us. Lonely mornings, secret codes, I just gave up keeping the score. Slander liars, nothing can stop us, baby. This is our time. Can hear the pounding inside. I'm coming for you at the speed of love. Bound for the ride you've been waiting for. 'Cause we're living, baby, for a while. Hypnotized by your moves, there's nowhere to let the spell go. No more days left to lose. Guess it's time to open the show. Ocean on minds, nothing can keep us, baby. And this is our time. Can hear the pounding inside. I'm coming for you at the speed of love. Bound for the ride you've been waiting for. 'Cause we're living, baby, for a while. I'm coming for you at the speed of love. Bound for the ride you've been waiting for. 'Cause we're living, baby, for a while. Yes, we're living, baby, for a while. Take you on a ride, sexy come and take you on a ride, sexy come and take you on a ride,
I've read a number of books through the years at the library next to my home, and some I held close to my chest, so dear, but they were always on loan. But if the pages make me smile like a fool, maybe for once I won't follow the rules. I'll keep it until it's long overdue. When I find my favorite book to read, I've read a story that opened my eyes to the world and its passing tide, and another one sang a sweet song to my heart. But the the ending was sad from the start. And then came along just an ordinary book that I happened to give a second look. It was humor and heartbreak and something in between, the most beautiful one I'd ever see. And your pages made me smile like a fool. Maybe for once I won't follow the rules. I'll keep you until you're long overdue. Oh, I found my favorite book to read. So I'll pour over you till I know you by heart. And when time wears you down, I'll mend your broken parts. And I'll treasure the days with you that I'm spending. I'm still waiting to read your ending.
And I was working in the streets of amber. I was freezing, almost late December, but I was stumbling, got a few too many. And take a fright, someone popping up from the night. This is morning, do you have a light? I'm sorry I'm not full mind and glassy eyes, and please ignore my crooked smile. I just came out of the rip-up band. You should go and have fun. And I was working down along the Alp. It was late, almost around 12. I was thinking I should get a jacket. Suddenly, smoke's the only thing that I can see. A tall figure coming towards me. I'm sorry I'm out for the smell of fish. We are not grilling here out on the beach. And this compelled to have a drink. You should join and grab a beer. And I was working out in Schanzenstrasse, down to hit, and I grab a glass, and then I feel a flash of pain, a flaring in my feet. Then I see three young fellas standing in front of me, while I say something I can get, maybe asking for a cigarette. I'm sorry, man, if I stomped your feet. I tried to drag my drums across the street. We're gonna play tonight and had the knust. You should come, hast du Lust?
I just noticed you my queen. You looking like some buttercream. You know exactly what I need. Hot cocoa, sweet and savory. And that's you, that's you. It's true, it's true. And that's you, that's you. You do the things that you do. I just noticed you my queen.